Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Acres Lawn Care here. Hope you're all doing well. So today we will be chopping up some wood. Fun. Now, just going to clear loads of wood piles, get them all into white sacks ready to be put in a skip, which hopefully, fingers crossed, will be here on the next visit. So we'll be able to clear so much, even the shed, which is going to be going, because it's just dilapidated and it's had its best anyway. But Gaz's not here today. He's still not working Mondays and Tuesdays, but he will be back. Yeah. And also, we have launched our new channel, which is the Uncut, Acres Lawn Care Uncut. So for those of you that requested longer videos, you can hop on and watch the videos that are on our normal Acres Lawn Care page, but it will just be longer videos, uncut versions. You might catch me and Gary being a bit more silly. Who knows? But if you want to subscribe to that, feel free. And if you enjoy this content, consider liking and subscribing. That'd be brilliant. Let's crack on. What a weird way for a branch to grow. Just thought, oh, I'll grow up and I'll do a U-turn. Crazy. Might keep that as a souvenir. Just kidding. Right, that was a sweaty couple of hours. Whew. All done now. Next time it will be skip, so hoping to get the skip here next time, and we're just going to go to town and clear as much as we possibly can, all the share, like I said at the beginning, everything. So thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, if you want to check out some more longer videos, we're starting to upload now, so don't forget to subscribe to Acres Lawn Care Uncut if you want to, of course. And once again, if you enjoyed this content, lots of chopping wood, so if you like chopping wood, give us a subscribe. Cheers, guys. We'll see you in the next one.